why is running PPC so important for Amazon FBA wholesale businesses specifically? If you're running a wholesale business, basically what you're doing, you are advertising someone else's brand and you're having a small cut on it while you bought the product. So that is basically what wholesale is. I just had a very interesting call with someone super knowledgeable. We are working on some projects together. She was saying that, hey, I have these many, I have all these suppliers. I can get a hold of their products. They are amazing products. And when it comes down to, she is going to do the wholesale model, right? And she was saying, oh, I have the chance to sell all these products on Amazon. This is so amazing. And I was like, all right, I'm so happy for you. That's very well done to get those connections. It's already amazing. Now let's step back because we don't want to get overwhelmed by the opportunity. What is very important for you is that you must have enough search volume for one product in order to sell on Amazon. So that's when you would do wholesale. But then the second thing is that when it comes to Amazon PPC and wholesale, it's going to be important to still advertise for those specific terms that you want to sell your product with. So the terms that are describing exactly your product. Why? One is because you can create additional revenue, especially if the revenue is profitable, right? Definitely. The second thing is going to be if you have a known brand name, giving you an example again, the Pink Body Mist. So if you are representing the Pink brand on Amazon, and you're doing wholesale with their product, if you have some type of deal, and if someone is looking for this specific product, and if you're not advertising for it, someone else maybe, but any other brand, Bath and Body Works or something like that, I'm not very familiar besides this one. But let's say I am that competitor, and I'm seeing that, oh, this Pink Body Mist has a high search volume. I'm going to take that chance and I'm going to push my product, especially if it's like coconut fragments or so on. So I'm going to piggyback on someone else's search who's not advertising for it. So that's why I'm saying that it's really important for you to still run ads, even if you have a wholesale agreement with the brand, because you're going to bring additional traffic to those listings. And at the end, you're going to make more money.